There's something that Rahul has definitely picked up from his British parents, and that is to stay tight-lipped. He did stay tight-lipped, but he did go away in certain stages of our interview when he actually did say that, he doesn't mind a promoter that has no expertise, any prior expertise in oil and gas to come in. So a bit of a giveaway there, but yes, what we're picking up from sources is that this is going to be a majority share sale. Vedanta is likely to pick up 51% stake, a deal that is likely to be announced in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, we believe it's going to be announced sometime on Monday. We're also picking up from sources at this stage that Anil Agarwal, the man who heads Vedanta, has had a meeting with Bill Gamble, who actually heads this entire Cairn PLC. We were the first to report yesterday that the British parent is looking at a complete exit from the Indian company, and that is perhaps now coming true for the simple reason that Cairn PLC is known as a trader of assets in the energy markets, in the energy circles. It's known as a trader of assets. It's done this in the past with Cairn US. It goes ahead there, builds a company, goes public, and then exits completely. At this stage, Cairn PLC wants to concentrate on its Greenland operations, where it's actually looking at generating a lot of unconventional energy, the new resources, so to say, and which is why it wants to exit Cairn India. It's a good time at a good premium. It's getting a premium simply because it's going to sell a majority stake. If the stake sale was a minority stake, like a 10 or 15%, it perhaps wouldn't have got this premium, so to say. They're actually valuing Cairn India at about $14.3 billion. If I've calculated, the back of the envelope calculations seem to suggest this at this stage. The big question is, can this deal go through without government's approval? The answer to that is a pertinent no, it cannot. The government will have to give an approval. The government stamp of approval is required, as discussed and as mentioned under the production sharing contract that Cairn India or any operator, any exploration or production operator has with the government of India. It's mentioned very clearly that any stake sale, any shareholding pattern change will have to be approved by the government. I do not see prima facie any problems of that approval coming in. The only thing that the government will perhaps take into consideration is the fact that Anil Agarwal, the man who's going to come in, does not have prior experience or prior expertise in the oil and gas space. That's perhaps just one of the things, but it's an Indian owner. He's going to come in here. I don't see this as a problem, so to say, but yes, the government's approval will be very much required for this deal to go through.
Right, thanks a lot for that. Do we actually first go to Gargi first? Yes, let's go to Gargi first and figure out her end of the analysis that she's done. Gargi, now you've had some time, so do the final analysis, the figures that have been quoting, and I mean, what does it do to the eventual deal if indeed it happens at that particular price, $8.5 billion?
Well, Neeraj, Supriya has almost given out most of the details of the deal. Let me stick with both the stocks and what kind of reaction is really coming in. So as for Cairn India, where we saw a very strong spurt coming in into the stock, and we've also got news that $8 to $8.5 billion is what Vedanta is going to pay for a 51% stake in Cairn India. So that gives us a valuation of a higher premium of about 8 to 10%. In fact, there may be an open offer which may be triggered. About 20% open offer may come in, and in fact, going ahead, they may actually look at buying more stakes. So clearly that gives a positive reaction. We spoke to some of the analysts. They say that the open offer price may actually be about 10 to 11% above the current market price, which is close to 350 rupees right now. So close to about 30 to 35 rupees higher than this. This is what analysts are telling us at this point. So as for Cairn India, surely it's a positive, and the stock reacting to that too. However, if you look at how Sterlite has reacted, of course, we've seen a very, grum reaction coming in from most of the investors for this stock, mainly because first that there is a diversification into the oil and gas sector, which is unrelated to the current business, and hence, investors surely will be worried about the kind of focus that the company will have. Secondly, about the cash flows, about the cash that they have on books, Sterlite will surely be impacted in some way, because Vedanta overall has $6 billion, and out of that, about $2 billion cash is on Sterlite's books.